So, hello everyone. This video is about how to read and filter the columns in using Pandas library. So, as we can see, we have imported Pandas with alias pd. Then we have stored the whole student, this CSV file into a variable as let's say this is a data frame, and now we have printed that data frame. As you can see right here. You can see that there are 649 rows and 36 columns, so it's not very visible in this type of screen. So this dot represents their continuations, and if we want to print specific columns, what we can do, we can first call the data frame, then we can call the respective columns, and we will have the our columns that we needed.